Another day, another story. Unlocking success and happiness. The power of positive affirmations and visualization techniques. Positive thinking transforms lives. In today's fast-paced world, finding inner peace, success, and happiness can seem like an elusive pursuit. However, the secret lies within our own minds. Positive affirmations and visualization techniques are powerful tools that can help rewire the brain for success and happiness. The science behind positive affirmations. Rewiring neural pathways. Positive affirmations work by reshaping neural pathways in the brain. By consistently affirming positive beliefs and thoughts, we can weaken the neural connections associated with negativity and strengthen those linked to positivity. Boosting self-esteem and confidence. Regular use of positive affirmations can significantly enhance self-esteem and confidence levels. By acknowledging our worth and capabilities, we empower ourselves to take on challenges with a positive mindset. The art of visualization. Painting your success story. Creating a mental blueprint visualization involves vividly imagining your desired goals and outcomes. This powerful technique allows you to create a mental blueprint, making it more likely for your aspirations to become a reality. Activating the reticular activating system, RAS. Visualization also triggers the reticular activating system, a part of the brain responsible for filtering information. When you consistently visualize your goals, the RAS directs your attention towards opportunities and resources that align with your aspirations. Crafting effective affirmations and visualization exercises. Be specific and present when formulating affirmations. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Use present tense language to reinforce the belief that you are already on the path to success. Engage all senses in visualization exercises. Engage all your senses to make the experience more vivid and compelling. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Smell the scent of success, and hear the sounds of accomplishment. Consistency is key to maximize the impact of these techniques. Consistency is crucial. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice positive affirmations and visualization. The more you engage with these exercises, the more profound the results will be. Embracing success and happiness. By incorporating positive affirmations and visualization techniques into your daily routine, you can unlock a world of potential and transform your life for the better. Remember, the power to shape your destiny lies within you. Conclusion. Start your journey today. It's never too late to embark on a journey towards a more positive and fulfilling life. Through the practice of positive affirmations and visualization, you have the tools to rewrite your story and create a future filled with success and happiness. This article has been meticulously crafted to provide you with valuable insights into the transformative power of positive affirmations and visualization techniques. By following the outlined strategies, you can embark on a journey towards a more positive and fulfilling life. Embrace the power within you and start rewriting your story today. Thanks for watching.